Let's have a look at some questions of measures of central tendency. Let's read out the question. The question says, a boy scored the following marks in various class tests during a term exam, each test being marked out of 20. The following are the marks given. So we need to find out the modal marks, the median marks, total marks and the mean marks. So we'll starting with the modal marks. So the very first thing we need to do is we arrange the given marks in ascending order. So arranging the given marks in ascending order, we get 7, 12, 7, 10, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17 and 19. So what we do, we start from the lowest, that is a 7, then 10, try to cancel out 12, again 12, 14, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17 and 19. All are done. Okay. So now we'll first try to find out the modal marks. So the mode is equal to, what is mode? Mode is the frequency which occurs maximum number of times, the marks which occur maximum number of time. So here we can notice 16 occurs maximum number of time. So hence mode is equal to 16. 16 as it occurs maximum number of times. Next is the median. We need to find the median. So for median we calculate the number of terms. Here the number of terms are 11. So when the number of terms are odd, the median is equal to that nth term plus 1 by 2. So 11 plus 1 by 2th term will be the median. So that is 6th term. 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 15 is the median. Okay. So here 15 is the 16 is the mode, 15 is the median. Now we'll find out the total marks. So total marks is like simply adding up all the marks. So adding up all the marks, 7 plus 10 plus 12 till 19, adding up all the marks we get total marks as 154. And the last is the mean marks. Mean is what? Sum of, it's the average, so it will be total marks upon number of terms. The number of terms, total marks is 154, number of terms is 11 as we have counted earlier, and 154 by 11 is 14, hence the mean is 14.